Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Gusto for payroll and HR strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Gusto website at gusto.com. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click Get Started to proceed. Next, create a secure password for your account. Confirm your password by typing it in a second time. Click Create Account to continue. Now, you will need to provide your company's name. Enter your business address, including city and state. Select your industry from the drop-down menu. Indicate the number of employees you have. Next, provide some basic information about your business structure, such as whether you're a sole proprietorship or an LLC. Fill in the necessary details for your tax information, including your employer identification number, EIN, if applicable. Gusto will then ask you to enter your first and last name. Provide your role in the company, whether you are the owner, manager, or an HR representative. You will also need to enter a business phone number for contact purposes. Once you have filled in all the required fields, click Next to move forward. Gusto will present you with several payroll options to choose from. Select the payroll plan that best fits your business needs. Review the features and pricing associated with each plan. After deciding on a plan, click Continue to confirm your selection. Next, set up your bank account for payroll processing. Provide your bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Select whether you wish to run payroll monthly, biweekly, or weekly. Review Gusto's payroll agreement thoroughly before agreeing to the terms. After agreeing to the terms, you will be directed to the employee setup screen. Add your employees by entering their names, email addresses, and relevant job information. Invite employees to complete their profiles by sending them an invitation through Gusto. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.